Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Aneet Sahani, wanting to answer a lot of questions in your minds. Well, today I'll be talking about past life regression therapy. Now, past life regression therapy is the mental act of going back to an earlier time, whenever that time may be, in order to retrieve memories that may still be negatively influencing a patient's present life and that are probably the source of patient's symptoms. The goal of regression is to access the subconscious. This is that part of our mind that lies beneath ordinary consciousness, beneath the constant bombardment of thoughts, feelings, outside stimuli, and other assaults on our awareness. The subconscious mind functions at a level deeper than our usual level of awareness. It is not limited by our imposed boundaries of logic, space, and time. It can remember everything from any time. It can transmit creative solutions to our problems. It can transcend the ordinary to touch upon a wisdom far beyond our everyday capabilities. During this state, the conscious mind is always aware of what one is experiencing. Despite the deep subconscious contact, the mind can comment, criticize, and censor. The patient is always in control. And after the session, he can remember everything experienced during the session. Thomas Edison used to do this art quite a bit while working on his inventions. He would go into a deep relaxation and meditative state that would be between sleep and wakefulness, and then work on his inventions. In this state, we help the patient to reach a deeper level of his or her mind. A therapist who is skilled in this technique can dramatically accelerate the healing process in the patient. When creative ideas and solutions extend beyond personal problems, large segments of society can benefit from this, as everyone is benefiting from Edison's invention of the light bulb. Listening to someone's guiding voice helps in focusing concentration and helps a patient to reach a deeper level of relaxation. There is no danger in this. No one person that I have ever regressed has become stuck in the past. This is a normal question that many people ask me. Anyone can emerge from the deep state of regression whenever he wants. You all are in control while doing the session. During regression, your mind is always aware and observing. That is why people who may be in a very deep state of past life sequence of memories are able to answer the therapist's questions, speak their current life language, know the geographical places they are seeing, and even can see or know the year that they are seeing. The present day mind is also aware, watching, and commenting. The patient can always compare the details and events with those of his current life. He is the movie's observer and its critic, and usually understands what exactly is going on, and he can correlate with his present life state also. He is in a complete relaxed and hypnotized state. I have found that most of my patients need to go into other lifetimes to resolve their current life clinical problems like fears or phobias. Some 20-30% can get solutions to their present day problems by just going into their childhood state and they start feeling better. So let's remove all barriers of fear from our mind and get a past life regression done to solve all kind of fears and phobias, anxieties and insecurities from our mind. I hope you all had an interesting session today.